While researching the best blender for protein shakes, I consider the durability, size, effectiveness, and power, as well as how much other customers like them. And with that said, here are the must-know pros and cons of each of the best blenders for protein shakes on the market. Don't forget to click the links below to see the latest price for each of the products. If you're eyeing a protein powder blender that is the epitome of convenience and efficiency for your nutritional shakes, I recommend giving the NinjaFit a whirl. Having recently added the NinjaFit Personal Blender to my kitchen arsenal to test its claims, I was impressed by how it stands up to daily use. This little beast powers through ice and frozen fruit with no hiccups, delivering silky smooth protein shakes every time. The 700-watt motor doesn't mess around. It's as potent as they get in such a compact design. And I have to say, the included cups are a godsend for my morning hustle. I blend directly in them, slap on the spout lids, and dash out the door. Also, the slim silhouette of the NinjaFit means it hardly takes up any counter space, and it's light enough to move around without a second thought. I really appreciate the simplicity of this machine. There are no complicated buttons or settings, you just push down to blend. Now, this built-in convenience does mean you're working with one speed, but honestly, it's all you need for a quick shake. And after use, cleanup is practically effortless. Everything goes straight into the dishwasher, leaving me with more time for other activities. So, whether you're a fitness enthusiast in need of a post-workout shake or someone who loves a quick and healthy snack, the NinjaFit has got your back. It's a robust little blender that delivers on its promises with a couple of trade-offs that are easy to overlook. For me, it's the best small blender for protein shakes that you can buy. The number 4 product on my best protein shake blender list is the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender, which I rate as the best blender for protein shakes with ice. After giving the Hamilton Beach Power Elite a run for its money with my morning shake ritual, I've noticed just how effortlessly it crushes ice and blends frozen fruits, which is quite a feat for a blender at this price point. The Wave Action system seems to live up to its promise of smooth results, keeping chunky bits at bay in my protein shakes. The ease of cleanup is something I can't overlook either. Being able to pop the glass jar directly into the dishwasher means more time enjoying my shakes and less time scrubbing away. I'll leave the hard work for the gym, thank you very much. Plus, the heavyweight glass feels sturdy and durable compared with some of the lighter, more fragile plastic jars we've seen around. But it's not all smooth sailing. While it's a powerhouse for making protein shakes, it's definitely not the best personal blender for protein shakes. Indeed, the Hamilton Beach is a traditional countertop blender that doesn't have the best portability. But if you want a simple and effective kitchen gadget for whipping up a post-workout shake, then this is probably the best blender for smoothies and protein shakes that you can get at this price point. Taking the number 3 spot on my best protein blender list is the Ninja Blast, which is ideal for on-the-go protein shakes, being cordless and fully rechargeable. This week, I've been whipping up shakes with the Ninja Blast blender, and it's impressive how it handles frozen berries and ice with its robust blending power. It's quite possibly the best mini blender for protein shakes that I've come across, especially when you consider the fact that you don't need to be near an electrical outlet. For me, its portability is a standout feature. I just love that I'm not tied down to a power outlet. I only bought it for testing, but honestly, whether I'm heading to the gym or taking a road trip, this blender is my new go-to companion. The selection of colors adds a splash of personality to your blending routine as well. I also love the sip lid. It lets me drink directly from the vessel without any hassle, no extra dishes required. Transitioning from blending to sipping on the go has never been smoother. After blending up my protein concoctions, I really appreciate not having to fuss over cleanup. A quick rinse, and it's ready for the dishwasher. Plus, the self-cleaning cycle is super convenient for a swift soap and water refresh. With the Ninja Blast blender, you'll spend less time on chores and more time enjoying your shakes. Checking in at number 2 is the popular NutriBullet Pro 900 Watt Personal Blender, which is one of the best protein blenders on the market today. If you're in the market for a mighty blender that makes protein shake prep a breeze, I really think the NutriBullet Pro could be your ideal match. Once I started using the NutriBullet Pro, the first thing I noticed was how it made light work of almonds, chia seeds, and everything in between. You get a smooth, fine texture from the 900 watt motor. I also appreciated that even after blending kale and berries, the cleanup is like a dream. Just a rinse, and it's ready for the dishwasher. No fuss involved. So, as you can imagine, regular protein power was a breeze for a powerful protein blender like the NutriBullet Pro 900. Also, the small footprint of the NutriBullet Pro doesn't take over your kitchen space, which is ideal for smaller countertops. It stores away nicely, leaving room for other gadgets and essentials in your cooking area. However, I did take note of the noise level. This blender might come with a bit of a roar, but consider it the sound of powerful blending at work. Additionally, there's just one speed, which didn't bother me too much. After all, it keeps the operation simple. In my experience, this blender stands up to daily use, turning fruits, veggies, and protein powders into silky, smooth shakes in under a minute. Despite some minor drawbacks, its efficiency had me in awe, making it the best protein powder mixer for a lot of people. So, what is the best blender for protein shakes and smoothies on the market today? Well, it's a close call, but based on my testing, that award goes to the Ninja BN401 NutriPro Compact Personal Blender for its powerful 1100 watt motor and convenient 24-ounce cups, perfect for protein powder of all kinds. After giving this Ninja NutriPro a whirl, I found that it's a true countertop titan. The 1100 peak watt motor didn't flinch when it faced frozen berries or ice cubes. It's as if it was challenging me to find something it couldn't blend. The Auto IQ presets are phenomenal, a literal one-touch miracle. No more second guessing whether my shake will have chunks or not. The preset cycles vary the blending speeds and patterns, which means I can just hit the button and let it do its thing. One of my favorite perks is the on-the-go cups that come with it. I blend, slap on the spout lid, and I'm out the door with a hassle-free breakfast or post-workout shake in hand. The fact that everything's dishwasher safe is just icing on the cake. Yet, even though this is the best single-serve blender for protein shakes, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. This blender is pretty loud. Plus, while it does stay put thanks to its suction feet, they can be a pain to pry off my countertop. That said, I'm willing to tolerate a bit of extra noise for a silky smooth protein shake. Honestly, despite its minor shortcomings, this little beast of a blender has won me over. The noise is a small price to pay for the consistency and power it delivers. Whether you're a gym junkie or just enjoy a smoothie now and then, it's a solid buy. And for me, it's the best protein shake blender that you can buy right now. And there you have it, the best portable blender for protein shakes that money can buy. If you've got any more questions at all about buying a blender, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, then please do like and subscribe so that I know to make more videos like this one.